This is M1, the Crab Nebula. Comes from a guy named Charles Mercier, who was a French comet hunter in the 1700s until the early 1800s. He created a list of 110 objects that it's basically not a comet, so he knew that if he saw this object in that spot, it wasn't a comet. The Crab Nebula came across, that name came about because of William Parsons, the 3rd Earl of Ross, who, while looking through his 36-inch telescope, must be nice, made a hand drawing. This is before photography, and it looked like a crab to him. What the Crab Nebula is a remnant of a supernova. In 1054, the Chinese actually observed something in this area of the sky, and then when Ross hand drew it, it looked like a crab. It's been now known as a supernova remnant, which is when a large star hits a limit, and when it's fusing material, it can't go beyond iron, and it will collapse upon itself and then explode in a supernova. And if it's large enough, like this one, it has to be larger than 2.8 times the core has to be 2.8 times the size, the mass of the sun. It leaves a neutron star, which has a sea of neutrons on the surface. And some neutron stars are observed to spin, and the core of the star is a spinning neutron star called a pulsar, and it spins every 30 times a second, and it's detectable in radio waves. The first pulsars were had the abbreviation LGM, which stood for Little Green Man, because they thought it was actually aliens trying to communicate. But they're very interesting objects, and they can give you a good timing of pulsars. Have unique timings, so you can actually probably use them as like lighthouses in space someday. Plus, also they could be used to measure the distances between galaxies. Okay, I think that's enough, and have a good day. Bye.